Welcome to Wall Street Sizing Up. It's the Merry Christmas edition of Stocks to Watch. It is Christmas Day. I wanted to come in here and give you the stocks to watch for the Monday morning opening bell. I'm going to go quickly, but just know that we are now sponsored by StockTrade.tips. StockTrade.tips. In fact, they own a piece of the channel. If you don't know what they do, we take the insider knowledge of the hedge fund trades. We quickly analyze those trades and we get those out to you before the crowd moves by SMS direct to your phone. That is StockTrade.tips. I want to say hello to the new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. And we're going to bust right in because look, everybody's off. The staff's been off since Thursday, so it's just going to be me today. And we're going to go. Here we go. First stock is SCYX. SCYX. SCYX is the way I actually say it. You'll see there it's at $7.14. The one thing that stands out to you is, you'll see it, $36 1-year price target. So that's nice to see. That is a culmination of multiple investment banks here on Yahoo Finance. It's in a 5-day uptrend. Now, here's the thing with this one. 3 hedge funds this week sized up on SCYX. The premium subscribers, I believe, got a text on, it was either Tuesday or Wednesday. The stock actually went down as they got the text, so they got in at a good entry point, and I believe that we're up a little bit since then, but again, it's in a 5-day uptrend. John Plexco at Stone Pine Capital was the last one to size up. He now has a $1.5 million shares for a $10 million position. This is a biotech, it's an antifungal space, if you would. 40% of Wall Street owns this. Now, John, he got in on the 17th. He is up 19%. But the key to know here is the $36 price target that you see there. That is SCYX. Next up is MP. MP is the material corporation. MP Materials Corporation. Now, this is a very interesting. It hasn't been operating long. It is in a 1-month uptrend, which we like. Price target is 25, so it's outrun that. You have several funds that size up on this. Just like SCYX, MP, we sent out a text alert on Wednesday to the premium subscribers on this one as well. Other hedge funds have since sized up. The last one being Dan Gold at QVT Financial. He sized up with 2.8 million shares, but his total position is 22.8 million shares for an $800 million position. And what's interesting about this stock is it's rare earth. And 74% of institutions, Wall Street institutions, hold this stock. Now, rare earth, if you don't know much about rare earth is very, very tough to find. And when you find it, it's tough to mine. Okay. Typically, a lot of this rare earth and the mines, most of the mines are found in China. So when they're found around the world, they're very valuable, right? So the rare earth are the minerals that go into lithium-ion batteries. They go into electronic vehicles, drones, TVs, any type of video cards, right? So any type of electronic, and they're getting more expensive because they're getting tougher to find. So this is why hedge funds and a lot of investment funds love this stock, MP. So in the last 3 months, it's up about 150%. Since the trade, QVT is up 22%. But here's the thing. We see it's forecasted to grow its revenue 62% next year. Now, it still needs to raise cash, but we believe this is a short-term play, and we believe it is a long-term play, and that's what we sent out to our subscribers on MP. So that's a rare earth play, and one that I am long on. In fact, I've got some options on that one. Not talking my book. I really do like this, and I sent it out to the subscribers and told them that. Next up is TESS or TESS. TESS was sized up on by Lakeview Investment Group. Lakeview Investment Group took 1 million shares, about an $8 million position. Now, The thing with this one is it's wireless infrastructure, right? What you see there, it's a $6 stock, but our best investment tool that we have, our institutional investment tool, the best one that we've got, has this stock grossly undervalued. They value the stock at $64. It's sitting at $6. So you can see why we're like, now I did not send this out to the premium subscribers. There's only been one hedge fund size up on it. It looks like a few large hedge funds do own this, but they haven't sized up lately. So here, why is it forecasted? First of all, it's going to be unprofitable for the foreseeable future, probably 3 years. It takes a lot of CapEx in the wireless infrastructure, and they're putting out the 5G infrastructure. It's got high debt, which it's going to have, and it's also got dilution issues. But here's the thing. It's forecasted to have 72% annual growth. That is huge, and that's why people love this stock, and that's why I would bet that's why our institutional tool that we use has that at a $64 stock in a year. So with that said, I want to take you to a few more, a few other stocks that we like, but we didn't send out. FDMT is a biotech. You might check into FDMT. We've got a blank check corp that I saw it pop up last week. It's from Texas Pacific Group out of Fort Worth. They're more of a private equity group, but they're into startups. They're into a lot of things, right? And they have a ton of money behind. I want to say it's like $90 billion. Here's the thing: TPGY, the blank check company, I believe was a $6 to $9 stock, and it lasts like 90 days. It's gone to 35. So something seriously going on. I didn't do a deep dive. I just see that a lot of hedge funds have sized up and taken some huge positions there, and they're trading heavy in that. And the final one is CVV. Again, CVV, that's industrial coatings. And with that said, guys, I hope that helps. I came in on Christmas Day to help you guys out. For these are stocks for the opening bell on Monday. If you're a premium subscriber, thank you. If you're not, please sign up at stocktrade.tips. We're going to help you out. We're going to make you money while we make us money as well, and because we jump into the same exact stocks. So with that, guys, I appreciate it. Have a very Merry Christmas. Watch your six. Go hard in the paint. Cheers.